Wi-Fi not working on your HP Windows 11 computer? We'll guide you through simple troubleshooting steps to get your connection back online. Open the search menu and type Settings. Open Settings and navigate to Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, click Run next to Internet Connections. Choose the option that matches your issue, for example, trying to connect to the Internet. In the same Other Troubleshooters section, locate Network Adapter, click Run, select all network adapters and click Next. Follow the prompts based on your specific issue. Open the search menu and type Settings. Go to Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings on the right-hand side. Select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. This will remove and reinstall all network adapters and restore networking components to factory settings. Be prepared to reinstall software like VPN clients or virtual switches. Confirm by selecting Yes when prompted. The system will automatically restart within 5 minutes. After restarting, re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.